Hey, good morning, guys. So, happy weekend. It's Saturday right now, Saturday morning, actually. So, I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things that I found were interesting. Bitcoin, 100,000K, Cardano, and Dogecoin. So, we'll get into those stories, but first, let's get into the sticks. Bitcoin has had the golden cross happen right now since yesterday. We've had the 50-day moving average move above the 200-day moving average down here, if you can see it. And we had a spike in Bitcoin that crossed the 46,700 mark and went above it, and now it's down below it again. So my concern going forward is in the next couple of days to a couple weeks, we may see if Bitcoin doesn't bounce back up above the 46,700 mark, I think we may go down and touch the 50-day moving average and then bounce off. So depending where that is, we may be looking at maybe a bounce from 43,000 or possibly even 42,000 and then bounce back up higher. Because we are seeing that we are a little, well, we're not oversold yet on the 4-hour chart and the RSI, but if we look at the daily chart of Bitcoin, we can see that we are definitely hovering pretty high right now on the RSI. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little pullback in Bitcoin and possibly touch the 50-day moving average in the next couple of days to a week or so. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. If Bitcoin bounces and it goes up higher from here, I think we might be good, but I wouldn't be surprised if we don't do a little pullback in the next couple of days, 2 weeks. So something to keep an eye out, which we will keep an eye on and keep you guys posted on this. So let's look at Doge. Doge, same thing, had a nice bounce and moved above its resistance and then obviously fell down like Bitcoin. Same thing with Stellar. Stellar is doing the same thing. Everything's pretty much following Bitcoin's path. Litecoin, same thing. It is now at $176 and change. Cardano just seems to be continuing its path upward. Obviously the Alonzo fork or the update is coming up, so we'll have to keep an eye on this. But obviously, I'm really happy to see Cardano doing well. We'll talk about it also. There's a story about it being the third largest cryptocurrency now by market cap. And then Ethereum. Ethereum is still trading right around the $3,200 mark. It is right now at $3,220, and we'll keep an eye on this one as well. It has been performing well over the last couple days and weeks. So it's something to keep an eye out. Hive, we talked about Hive yesterday a little bit. Hive is also trading down from yesterday. It's obviously not trading today, but yesterday traded down. And the reason for that is because Frank Holmes, the CEO, posted that they are going to post their earnings in August 26th, so they kicked the can down the road again. So investors weren't happy about that one. Mara is also down yesterday, and we'll talk about Mara in another video that I'm going to do later on about its earnings. It had they weren't good earnings. We'll talk about it in the next video. And then what do we have here? Bitfarms. Bitfarms was actually up a little bit yesterday. It was up 27 cents to 678. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. Let's get into the stories now. So the first story I want to talk to you guys about is Mark Cuban says Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. And here's some of the things that I wanted to tell you guys about it. So since starting to accept Dogecoin as a payment for merchandise in March, the Dallas Mavericks organization has seen substantial sales made with the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, according to team owner Mark Cuban. Also, the organization will offer special pricing for those paying with Dogecoin during the Mavericks summer sale. So if you're a Mavericks fan, you got Dogecoin, they're going to have a sale for you guys. Cuban said it's a medium that can be used for the acquisition of goods and services. The community for the Doge is the strongest when it comes to using it as a medium of exchange. So he's seeing it more of as a dollar equivalent where people are spending it and not holding it like Bitcoin. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. He also said Ethereum is a digital version of currency. And then you got Dogecoin, which is just fun. But the weird part about it is that it went from it being a cryptocurrency joke to now becoming something that's become a digital currency. Cuban sees Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, more as a digital version of gold than currency. Well, because a lot of people are just buying up Bitcoin and holding it, looking for the price to go up in value, and then obviously selling it. And you got also day traders working on it. So that's that for Dogecoin. I thought that was kind of interesting. And I do think we're going to see a lot more places accept it and be used as kind of like a currency. And it does have some properties where it is almost like the US dollar, where the more coins that are going to be out there, the inflation rate is going to be dropping, and it's going to be slightly inflationary, but not to the point where it has been in the past. All right. Next story. Bitcoin surge fuels 100,000 price prediction as massive Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, XRP, and Dogecoin rally pushes crypto over to $2 trillion. The Bitcoin price, up 40% on this time last month, is edging closer to the psychological 50,000 per Bitcoin level. We looked at the charts here just a few minutes ago. We saw that it was bouncing, but it obviously has fallen back down. As cryptocurrencies prices rally across the board, pushing the combined crypto market firmly over $2 trillion for the first time since May, some Bitcoin and crypto investors are feeling confident the Bitcoin price could exceed its all-time high of $60,000. Bloomberg Intelligence senior commodity strategist Mike McGlone said in a television interview this week, if Bitcoin just follows Ethereum, it goes to $100,000. Bitcoin appears to have built a base around 30,000 that's akin to 4,000 at the start of the 2019, and we see performance parallels that could get the benchmark crypto back on track toward $100,000. McGlone wrote this month in his August report. So obviously, if we look at the chart again on Bitcoin, we've had obviously a nice run up from its lows this year. And I think as long as we stay above the 50-day moving average and we have the 200-day below it, we are probably in another bull market. But like I said, we'll have to keep an eye on it. All right. And now the final story that I got for you guys is Cardano ADA becomes the third largest cryptocurrency, overtaking Binance, Coin, and Tether. So Cardano ADA has become the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, according to CoinGecko, after its price surged 12% over the past day to a new 12-week high. The cryptocurrency has enjoyed a steady uptrend since bouncing off the dollar mark support on July 19th. Boy, I wish I would have bought that. And it is changing hands at 2:03 as of 6:08 a.m. Eastern Time. In the past week, ADA's price has swelled 46.5%, pushing the asset's market capitalization to $65 billion, ahead of Binance Coin and Tether. The rally is largely attributed to the mounting excitement surrounding the forthcoming rollout of smart contract support on Cardano's main network via the Alonzo upgrade, expected to occur before the Cardano Summit in September. Earlier this week, the project's founder, Charles Hoskin, said that he would reveal the official launch date on Friday, August the 13th. I have not seen anything, but he might have posted something on that. So we'll keep you guys posted if we find it. The long-anticipated upgrade could help Cardano compete on equal terms with Ethereum, which supports the vast majority of decentralized finance applications, such as lending protocols and exchanges facilitating transactions without intermediaries. So, a couple great stories. Obviously, the crypto market is moving up. We'll do a video here shortly on Marathon's posting of their earnings. We'll take a look, deep dive into that, and we'll let you guys know what we think about that. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Something simple, something easy to digest on the weekend. Let me know what you think as far as, is Bitcoin going to go to 100,000? Are we going to see a slight pullback in the next couple of days with Bitcoin now hovering at $46,400 mark, which is kind of like the resistance that we had for the past couple days? And are we going to go above it again, or are we going to fall back down to the 50-day moving average and then bounce from that? So let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got for you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. Hopefully you guys have great weather, and I'll see you guys in the next one.